guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Murder Mystery 2. Ay, yan na guys, maglalaro na ako guys. Ay, innocent ako. I'm innocent guys. Magwawak lang tayo dyan. Wawak lang tayo dyan. Yan, punta tayo sa bed. Ayan, dyan na tayo. Yan, punta tayo dyan. Ay, dito pala. Ay, mali. Mali guys. Mali. Wait lang guys. Uy, yung white man. Ano kaya guys? Tingnan natin. Wait lang guys. Nahanap ko yung murderer eh. Bago yung sheriff, kukain ko yung gun. Oy! No. Oh! Kala ko guys, yung si Billy yung murderer. Yung babae pala yung murderer. Okay guys, hintay lang tayo dito guys. Tingin lang tayo muna. Patay kasi. Hintay lang tayo guys. Sige. Yan, muna kayo guys. Uy guys. Uy, yan yung murderer. Takbo. Takbo ka na. Patay. Talo pa tayo guys. Next round tayo guys. Sana sheriff. Sheriff. Sheriff or murderer or innocent. Wait. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay. Ganap lang. Tinitingnan ko lang yan guys. Nag-sub pala siya sa subscribe and like rin po kayo guys. Salamat. Thank you. Like and sub guys. Okay, now next round. Uy, sheriff ako guys. Sige. Hanap tayo ng murder. Patayin ko yun. Guys. Gonna dead him. Okay guys. Where is the murderer? Wait. That girl is the murderer or no? No. Okay. Where is the murderer? Oh god. What's that? That's snake. That's a snake. Okay. Wait, what? White man? Oh! Oi! Hey! Oi! White man? Did he just... Wait... Huh? This is... The white man? The murder? Oh! Ow! I'm confused. Huh? Ay! He's the... Pew! Okay guys. Panalo! Panalo guys! Panalo! Nanalo ko ya. Nanalo ako. The sheriff saved the day. Okay guys. Ito na lang po lahat. Bye guys. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.